shoes out of Rondak bluegrass and a sky painted blue. Dave and Betty smiling 50 years in the sun. Cake on the picnic table, still dancing for one. Then I hit the water like I owned the place, cold as a hammer, right in my face. Lake George, hold on. Lake George, hold on, hold on, hold on. We were having too much fun. Lake George, hold on. Lake George, hold on, hold on. We were having too much fun. I was halfway laughing when that whistle rang out. The lifeguard pointed and gave me the shout. Hey, get back in line with a red hot glare. I waved from the shoreline like I didn't care. Dave just cackled, Betty raised her glass, said, son, in this family you learn real fast. Lake George, hold on. Lake George, hold on, hold on, hold on. We were having too much fun. Lake George, hold on. Lake George, hold on, hold on. We were having too much fun. Together and they still set the tone. One splash, one look, and I knew I was done. The whole dock shook with a family cheer. Even that lifeguard had to grin from ear to ear. Lake George,